You see, Bawumia, today, let me tell you this secret. Nana Addo selected you because he wanted the favor of J.A. Kuffour. Not that you mean anything good to him. Not that you are something very good. Remember in 2007, when they came to you, when they called you to come from office to a certain location, for that discussion, Bawumia, remember that day your first wife called you.
Captain Smart, I reveal secret be a double between Kuffour and Bawumia intem. And no was I expose Kuffour big time. I watch him say Kuffour HUC Bawumia as the running mate for a reason. When he a favor, and I say no pay favor be a day free Kuffour in chain. Until now, we choose Bawumia as the running mate. Abusia, when you see Captain Smart, a can and there Bawumia TV. So, Joaquimia, let's share video in form obi, then Paconia Binche. Let me explain video ni man. I say, and same nimu, and chill ye. And there Bawumia TV. So, Captain Smart, I'm a yantia say, Nado Kuffour HUC Bawumia as the running mate for a reason. A reason, and I say, no pay favor at the free Kuffour. And in order to get that favor, no. Or to see Bawumia as the running mate. Name mum yes say Bawumia deserve it, and I say he worth it, and into choosing to become a running mate. Where is Captain Smart about wanting ebe kind? In order to make insemna work cannot believable no, or twice eka say Kuffour efre Bawumia some time ago. So omunshia ewa achimota. Odru honom no the first wife efre no. Where is Captain Smart eka and so honom and other twice wa wo chire mu say Bawumia apen ho anyantem nti oman ho chance ema aye achim mafia so Nana Addo Kuffour eka ho no using the fala abusia without wasting my time no yentie video no yenhwe nsema Captain Smart epuligu ho edefa Nana Addo Kuffour ena Bawumia ho I say malikbasintale TV. So when the first number channel so bohom dey subscribe my yen
Vise Bawumia wa bodam Debbie. That man, let me tell you something about Bawumia. I don't hate him. He's a fine, refined gentleman. I'm telling you today. Because I saw Bawumia, you say, timer. Paul Atta Anambwa, the former governor of the Bank of Ghana. Paul Aqua, he's Aqua, not Atta, Aqua. Time. The entire cabinet agreed. There are 3 cabinet ministers during Kuffour's time who said no to Bawumia. Because almost say Bawumia is NDC, and it's true. Bawumia no NDC membership card bisano samwa. Time about Bawumia free Canada buy no be NDC running mate. The plan was to prepare him to become a running mate and we move it. I be a presidential candidate in the NDC. No NDC membership card. Ne papa na demand no. Ne papa in front of Alhaji Mumuni, Dr. Canadino Bawumia Bisano. And never ye nimu krum hano. But Kuffour said that no. I am looking for somebody who understands what I want to do. And my catch now pain. Say, Bawumia papa. Or ye papa be. Tisa we ye papa. No want to be nye papa. Woman to me nye baby papa njina. Tell me ye. We ye papa. No want to me anye papa. Woman to me nye baby papa njina. And the same spelling P-A-P-A-P-A-P-A-P-A-P-A. And the Kuffour share Alhaji Bawumia papa. Na oye Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia papa. No oye ne papa. Dimachi. And then me buy. Me say me cancel. There were 3 cabinet ministers who opposed. But Kuffour said no. Ono anebeko. Enti minim Bawumia or a very fine, refined your friend say banker. Take maybe ase. But Bawumia man who quaint dodo. Ema chim mafias no eplano. me na me catch it. You see, Bawumia, today let me tell you this secret. Addo selected you because he wanted the favor of J.A. Kuffour. Not that you mean anything good to him. Not that you are something very good. Remember in 2007, when they came to you, when they called you to come from office to a certain location, for that discussion, Bawumia, remember that day your first wife called you. I don't want to go there. Or anyone too. And you see, back to Bontuku. One year consultation, they told them, say, 8 no. Afra. They say, 8 the top from moi. A DIM. They know. And I'm a better Hannah me catch us and you obey you one no. A very pot all. Because I knew, say, to me be so being some unto me nya 8 the da. Maybe a Pentecost in Imapa. Me try me tight. I had a yet never be ma sorry I'm in person de beka. But me con crofo me bo ma for there. See me so in some enti ya di yellowish color no ka paper white no ni makutri mu ye ne de. But because paper and yet crystal surface way anyway and a crystal they can reflect. If you are not careful, you can be beaten by the reflection. And the way we are saying, hey, when you say, look, if I ask you what is your favorite color, if you are lying to me, I know you are lying to me. And it's not be about show to be no. Maybe the question I know watching no. Anyway, I know the psychology of asking questions and how somebody will answer my question. In just me supernatural. I'm an ordinary human being like you. But they tell me say, maybe you want my shadow. So people say, what is your favorite color? If you are telling me the truth, naturally your eye will roll. All the 2 eyes will roll to the left. This one you can't deceive nature. Try so hold your eye. You can't hold it. Your both eyes will roll to the left and roll back to the middle. What it means is that you are accessing your visual cortex to be able to tell me what your favorite color is. This will not take you more than 7 seconds. You should be able to tell me, my favorite color is pink. That's it. If I ask you your favorite color and you are lying to me, your eyes, both eyes will roll from the left to the right. They will stay there for about 2 seconds before they roll back to the left. Enter a winning bronia or your investigator can say, look me in the eye. Because they want to read the movement of your eyeballs. And anytime a nipa ni ebe share bibia eye crystal sa wonya intelligent ebe deceive you. It's brand mako paper enye crystal yadi yellowish ne ka ho no ohun no yi one chese ono na besa akoyi ba ko obedi kan akoyi ade we bi esipanyana minim. But they didn't see that. And I be a granted, say, see, and I say, see, the Macron was color blinded. Oh, Kwako, you know. No, you know, my 5. Only so you know, my 5. Nepira Macmenu Tenenchai. Was African way, but Nami Wamaha, Nami Yejuma. oyi number 5 sanka womunim sunsum wiase mu pa yi a na sanka mu keep 5 no ke ma men kan sabon kyerɛw guru the winning na ye linked to MPP winning but a twelve more if you say a real apo MPP me na me ka kyerɛw o man bi e wasase so bi a wo honhom ekutam upa gidi upa jai a real apo guru so you number 5